Unschooling is the most fluid style of homeschooling. There is no curriculum and no set boundaries. Many parents feel a bit apprehensive about such freedom. But even unschooling has certain guidelines that make it a great method of homeschooling. First, allow your child to express their interests. Let him or her select the topic. If they wants to learn about flowers, tell them about the various flowers, their functions, parts of the flower, rare flowers, and so on. But don't go overboard. Allow them the freedom to stop when he or she has had enough. This process of learning may take a month, or a day. It is up to the child to decide how much they want to learn. Expand your child's areas of interests using videos, books, magazines, puzzles, and games. Go to a museum or take your child to a library. Simultaneously, broaden your own interests. The more you know, the more the child gets to learn. Notice all opportunities for learning. When in the kitchen, point out the vitamins in fruits and vegetables. What makes tomatoes red, and why are leafy vegetables good? If you don't know the answers, don't worry, look it up. Lastly, don't worry if the going seems slow. This is just the way kids learn. Give them time, and lots of encouragement. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.